Xiaomi just introduced the Xiaomi 15s Pro, the company's latest flagship smartphone in the Xiaomi 15 China. The Xiaomi 15s Pro is priced starting at 5,499 Chinese yuan. It comes in two colors. The Xiaomi 15s Pro features a 6.73-inch LTPO OLED display with a 2K resolution and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. The screen supports up to 1,800 nits of brightness. It is powered by the Newsring O1 chipset built on TSMC's 3nm process, with a 10-core architecture, with 16GB LPDDR5T RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. The phone runs Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 atop Android 15. The Xiaomi 15s Pro offers a triple rear setup with a 50-megapixel OmniVision Lighthunter 900 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 telephoto lens, a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. The Xiaomi 15s Pro packs a 6,100 mAh battery with support for 90W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.